All right, this is Mama. And what's your name? Julia. Now we're going to sing the 5 classes of vertebrates. How many classes? 5. That's right. Okay. Vertebrates, vertebrates, vertebrates all have backbones. What? Backbones. Vertebrates, vertebrates, vertebrates all have backbones. What? Backbone. Good. Count the classes of vertebrates. 5 classes of vertebrates. Vertebrates. Count the classes of vertebrates. How many, Julia? 5. Yeah, they have backbones, and there's 5 classes of vertebrates. Mammals have hair and fur. They use their lungs to get their air, like you and Puck. They carry their own babies in their backbone. Yeah, and they're not in their backbone, in their bellies, and give them milk from memories. Birds have feathers and no teeth. Birds have feathers and no what? No teeth. They are born out of eggs. Mama feeds them in their nest. Amphibians are like frogs. Breathe through the skin or through their lungs. Their blood is cold. Their skin is smooth. They can be how-tos. Fish have fins so they can move. They use gills so they can breathe. Their skin is smooth. Their blood is cold. They like water, so I'm told, like Spot and Goldie. Reptiles like turtles and snakes. Some lay eggs that can break. Some give birth to living young. Their blood is... what's their blood like?
Good.
Their blood is cold. They have at least one lung. Vertebrates. Vertebrates all have backbones. What? What do they have? Backbones. Woohoo! Vertebrates. Vertebrates all have